How to change name on Pocket Option. Open the Pocket Option website and log in to your account. Go to your Profile section from the dashboard. Click on the Settings option to open Account Details. Look for the Personal Information or Account Information section. Check if the name field is editable or locked after verification. If it is locked, you need to contact customer support. Go to the Help or Support section on the platform. Click on Contact Support or create a new ticket. Write a message requesting to change your name on the account. Explain the reason for the name change clearly in your message. Attach a valid or legal document showing your correct name. Submit the support request and wait for their response. Follow any additional instructions provided by the support team. Once approved, your name will be updated in your Pocket Option account. Thank you for watching.